I just helped this creator, and this creator gain over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in just 24 hours. And if you don't skip any of the 5 things I'm gonna share with you in this video, the same exact thing could happen to you. Change number 1 is you need to make sure that you have your page actually set up correctly. So this is my brand new channel right here. I just started this channel this year and it's closing in on 40,000 subscribers, and I make a full-time living just from this small YouTube channel. Now, one of the reasons that it's been able to grow so quick is because look at the banner right here. Subscribe to be smarter with AI. I would strongly suggest that you make a banner like this that gets people to subscribe to your channel, because if you do that, it is going to increase the odds that people actually subscribe to your channel, because it's just another thing that is going to get them to want to subscribe. And look at all the videos that I've uploaded. Every single time people come to my page and they see this, and it increases the amount of subscribers that I get. In addition to that, if we come over here into the description, you'll see that it is very specific with keywords about the type of content that I am actually uploading. And if you do this in your description, it is going to increase the odds that YouTube shows your content to the right people. But in addition to that, you need to make sure that you also have one other setting set up correctly. So if we come into this channel right here and we come into manage videos, and then we come over here into settings, we are also going to see that under channel, I have the right keywords in here, and I also have all of these feature eligibilities are turned on. And that's one of the reasons that this channel is growing faster than yours. Now, change number 2 is you need to make sure that you're leveraging AI to get way more out of the content that you're currently producing, because MrBeast's editor just came out and said creators that aren't repurposing their content, especially small creators, are leaving millions of views and tens of thousands of subscribers on the table. And I get it. You're not like MrBeast. You can't hire an editor and you can't hire somebody else to go off and repurpose your content, but you can use AI to do this. Check this out. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest that you use Nexus Clips in order to do this for you, because their AI is going to find the perfect video clip for you, it's going to edit it for you, and it's even going to add subtitles. So all you have to do is upload the long form video and boom, you're going to get viral shorts ideas straight from that are ready to publish. Here's how it actually works. You literally just log into Nexus Clips, sync up your YouTube channel, and now you're going to be able to edit specific clips that you want to grab, or click on create clip right here. It's going to bring up all of your past content. Like this video I uploaded 5 days ago. I'm going to click generate moments and then click got it, and boom, this is going to go through, analyze my content, and actually get those clips for me. In addition to that though, I can highlight the top things that I actually want to do. For example, moments that demonstrate effective use of task scheduling or anything I put in here. So I'm going to click this right here, click generate new moments. I'm going to skip this step and boom, this is going to go through and actually generate those for me. So now Nexus Clip has literally gone through, made all these clips, and it gives you a score of how likely this is to potentially go viral. Now, if I click on this right here, all I have to do now is click create clip up here. I could go ahead and I can adjust the length. For example, I want this to be 17 seconds. Then I click into edit up here, which will bring me in here where I can now affect the hook. I can put different stickers on here. I can add subtitles. I could change the framing, and then boom, export this video. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and register for Nexus Clips today. This is an absolute no-brainer. It's going to help you increase your views, increase your subscribers without you doing extra work, because their AI features are amazing. Now, the next thing you need to make sure of is that you're not actually losing subscribers. So if we come into advanced mode in your analytics over here, you come under here and then you click on more metrics, what you're going to be looking for is you losing subscribers. So we need to look for this right here, and what we'll find right here is subscribers lost. This is the metric that you want to be paying attention to, because the easiest way for you to increase the amount of subscribers that you get is to guarantee that you are not losing subscribers. So we could see right here that over the last 28 days, I've actually lost almost 700 subscribers on this channel. Now, if we come over here and we come into subscribers gained, guess what? We could see that I gained 8,200 subscribers. So I did have a net increase in the amount of subscribers that I've actually gotten. But what you want to make sure of is that if you come in here and come under subscribers lost, that there isn't something that is causing you to lose subscribers. Like if I look here, I lost 15 subscribers from this, I lost 11 from this, and then it looks like I'm losing anywhere from like 1 to 7 subscribers every single video. Now that's a good thing. That doesn't ring any alarm bells, but if one of these videos I had lost 100 subscribers, or I had lost 1,000 subscribers, or I had lost more than 50 subscribers, or quite frankly, if I just lost more subscribers than I actually gained from a video, then I would want to go through, look at the video, and make sure that I never make a video on that topic ever again, that I never make a video in that style ever again, because clearly I would have done something in the video that would have caused me to lose a lot of subscribers. And you don't just have to do this for the last 28 days, you should be doing this for the entire time that you have been posting. So like we could see here, like this video, I gained 3,000 subs, lost 16. This one, I gained thousands, and I didn't lose any. So again, those are all pretty good things. And if you want to get over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, as you can see right here, it literally is just going to come from one video. So if I look at lifetime right here, I literally have like a dozen videos right here that have gained me over 1,000 subscribers. And this is all you need to get for you to finally get 1,000 subscribers. Now, that other change that you need to make sure that you're making when it comes to your analytics is you need to make sure that for your content ideas, you need to come into your analytics, you need to come into trends right here, and then you need to look at exactly what is showing here. So what people are looking for, you want to come into show all and see if these are anything that you actually want to make a piece of content about. New videos to inspire you, you want to come in here and see the same exact thing. And then under make a short, you want to see the same exact thing, because what these are right here are content gaps. Or if you do a search for something, for example, if I made a video about ChatGPT right here, we would be able to see exactly which searches are getting a lot of volume here. And then this would identify for us what content gaps are. And what that is a type of content that people are not actually creating right now, but they have a ton of interest in. For example, how to see archived chats in ChatGPT. Or there are other things related to ChatGPT in here that a lot of people are searching for, but nobody's actually making content for. And if we type in Gemini, we'll be able to see the same exact thing. We type in Gemini, come into show all, come into content gaps, and we will be able to see exactly what there isn't enough content for. Or if we come into audience right here and scroll down, we'll be able to see exactly what other videos our audience is watching. And this is going to reveal to you exactly what type of content you should be creating. It'll reveal to you the lengths. It'll reveal to you the formats. It'll reveal to you the topics. And if you start to study this, then what you're actually going to begin to understand is what your ideal viewer wants to see. And once you have perfect alignment between the content you're creating and what your ideal viewer wants to see, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get more subscribers than you could have ever imagined. You're going to get more views than you could have ever imagined. And most importantly, you're going to be able to make more money from YouTube or get monetized on YouTube. Now, the final and last change that you need to make sure you're making is you need to make sure that you have a call to action in every single video that you upload. I cannot emphasize this enough. If you don't have a call to action in your posts, you are going to get way less subscribers. In fact, in this video right here, I have a call to action, and in this video right here, I don't have a call to action. And do you see what the difference is? Literally a 10x change in how many subscribers I got. And that same exact thing is happening to you, because the last thing that you want to happen is for one of your posts to go viral, you didn't have a call to action on it, and then you're going to be upset, you're going to be in the comment section, and you're going to be saying, I could have had 1,000 subscribers, or I could have had 10,000 subscribers, or I could have had 100,000 subscribers and finally got that YouTube plaque, but I forgot to put a call to action. And what you need to make sure that you do is get really good at adding in a call to action. It needs to be something to get your ideal viewer to raise their hand and say, yes, that is me. The way that you're going to do this is by relating your call to action back to your viewer and not having it be super selfish. For example, don't tell them to hit the subscribe button to get more of your videos. They don't want more of your videos. They want whatever they're getting from your videos. Maybe they're getting entertainment. Maybe they're learning how to grow on YouTube. Maybe they're learning about AI, or maybe they're learning about clean drinking water. Whatever it is that your ideal viewer wants from your content is what you need to be getting them to hit that subscribe button for, because then it gets them to confirm who they are, significantly decreases the odds that they ever unsubscribe from you, and it increases the chances that they continue to watch your content. Now, at this point, there's only one thing stopping you from getting the growth that you want, and that you simply just haven't implemented the things that I've shared with you in this video, or you need some personalized one-on-one help, in which case I personally want to help you. In fact, I want to work with you one-on-one the same way that I helped this creator gain over 1 million subscribers, this creator over 1 million subscribers, and this creator over 1 million subscribers, and now all of them make a full-time living on YouTube, because every single one of them started just like you are right now, struggling with posting, not knowing what to do, and I came in, I helped them out, built them out a personalized plan, worked with them one-on-one, and now they're living the life of their dreams, and I want the same thing for you. If that sounds interesting, well, please check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how we can work together.